Continuing your course, understanding your career options, we're going to have a look at the career as a microbiologist and also a zoologist. Microbiologist, you would pretty much be studying microorganisms as bacteria, viruses, and your typical work environment would be research and development, universities, pharmaceutical companies. Is a good level of job employment. um, Life is not about making only the right choices; it's about taking the best out of it. So, as microbiologists are also involved in using microorganisms to produce, for example, like penicillin. Typical specializations for microbiologists is clinical microbiologist. Working place would be like clinical labs. Also, as an environmental microbiologist, you'd be working in the field in the public labs. um, you want to understand what's how the heavy metals of a specific location or city would impact on the overall environment. Also have the industrial ones where the related to industrial production or process, like fermentation process for breweries or for, let's say, dairy production companies. And also other type of industrial biologists is when you have the control the other places industrial environment. There is another career where if you like science and if you're comfortable with biology or one of your favorite subjects is biology and you like outdoor environment, so you'd, for example, be willing to go in the field research. Typical career is a field research, a field biologist career. There you could work as a zoologist. Zoologists study the life of animals and mostly employer or the major employer is the state employing like 36 more than 36% of, and then you have federal. There's a good job growth. The environment is not a zoo, so as a zoologist it doesn't mean you have to look in the zoo work in the zoo. The typical environment would be outside interactions with the animals and species. You develop like and conduct experimental studies with animals, and you have like biological data. You monitor. Some of the advantage is if sometimes very fulfilling because it's very helping animals have a lot of travel, have a lot of work. It's very flexible. You can combine with other tasks. It's very different. You don't have a routine. Every day is a new function, is a new situation. Disadvantage of that is a difficult job market. So it's mostly employed by agencies and government. There's some level of danger. You can be maybe wildlife and outside exposed to different type of conditions, variable working conditions.